Hi, in this video we're going to expand out two brackets where we've got to use laws of indices. Now remember the principle for multiplying out two brackets. We need to do each term in the first bracket multiplied by each term in the second. Now we can do that in any order, but the way I like to do it is I like to focus first on the first thing in the first bracket. So I focus on the first term in the first bracket, the 3x cubed, and then multiply it by each thing in the second bracket. So I'm going to do the 3x cubed times by the x squared first. Now remember, when you do x cubed times by x squared, you add the indices. So you're going to add the 3 and the 2. So x cubed times x squared, let's just do it separately. X cubed times x squared, you add the indices and you get x to the power of 3 plus 2, which is 5. So we're going to get, because it's a 3 on the front, it's going to be 3x to the 5. And then we're going to do the 3x cubed times the negative 3. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, so it's negative 9x cubed. Let's just get rid of this. And now we do the second thing in the first bracket multiplied by each thing in the second bracket. So we're going to do the plus 4 times the x squared, which is plus 4x squared. And then we're going to do the plus 4 times the negative 3, which is negative 12. Now, do we have any like terms here that we can collect together? No, we don't, because that's an x to the 5 term, that's an x to the 3 term, that's an x squared term, and that's a constant term, which means it doesn't have any variables in it at all. So none of these are like terms. We can't simplify any further, and therefore that's the final answer.